Hi guys, and we are here with my mother-in-law Sharon. My mother-in-law has become a juice guru for now quite a while, but I'll let her share her story. We're gonna try a new recipe with spinach, papaya, pineapple, pomegranate, apple, and cucumber. It is a very refreshing recipe, very good for those that either have high cholesterol, any type of digestive issues, or just overall good feel, energy. This is a very good recipe that you can do quick, and it's awesome.
As she said, I'm her mother-in-law, and I wanted to make points with my daughter-in-law. So I wanted to hear all about the juicing, and I have become a believer thanks to this lady. I'm 80 years old, and I want to live to be 96 like my father did, and I'm an active senior, and I love the juice, Yogi. Just absolutely love it. I haven't had this new one, so I'm excited about that. I just use your morning booster.
Yeah.
Can this be a morning booster?
Absolutely. My biggest advice is always do the 80-20 rule. 80% more vegetables, more of the greens, and then 20% fruit. So I don't recommend doing this on a daily basis, but once a week, this is a perfect juice for you to do. Just because it does have some tropical fruits, but it absolutely has vitamin A, C, K, minerals, and all the enzymes that are very good for your immune system.
What if usually the bottles that I put my juice in, like the glass bottles are 16 ounces. What if I made this recipe and only drank 8 ounces?
Perfect. I think that's even better.
You know, as a refreshing, and I could have it 2 days.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You can have 8 ounces and you're still going to get enough vitamins, minerals, and enzymes and nutrients from this recipe that are extremely good for your health.
One of the things I've noticed, Yogi, since I started juicing is how good I feel. I mean, these are 80-year-old joints, you know? And
she's non-stop.
And every now and then I get stiff, and that seems to be gone. It's like I've had a dose of oil or something. Yes. I don't know, but that is one of the biggest things I've noticed. And also, I have more energy.
Yes. So with juicing, because it's liquid absorbed and you're absorbing all the nutrients through liquid, with all the antioxidants, so many of these greens have things that are anti-inflammatory, and they actually help your joints reduce any joint pain, swelling, things like that. So it's got a ton of antioxidants, and that's one of the things that I get a lot of people tell me. Oh my God, I don't have any more chronic pain. My joint pains are gone. My migraines are gone. And it's because you are flushing your body with this like all liquid form concentrated nutrients that are going into your system without putting your body to work. So it's going straight to your bloodstream, and then it's like, it's amazing what it does for you. Your energies crank up like there's no tomorrow.
I used to need that little afternoon doze.
Instead of coffee.
And I find myself, I just find myself not, I mean, I was aware that I wasn't doing it.
Yeah.
You know, because I do feel good.
When you juice, do you feel hungry right away, or does it kind of like calm your hunger?
Well, it varies. Sometimes I'll drink my bottle of juice in the morning and I won't be thinking of anything till 11 or 11:30. And other times I'm thinking, I'm hungry, and I don't know why. So I can hardly wait to try this new one.
Well, the best time to juice is actually in the morning, right off you come off your fast, because it's gonna absolutely flush your body with everything that it needs, and it just heals your body, and it prevents you from getting diseases. All these vegetables, getting all that chlorophyll and all the vitamins, it actually prevents you from getting heart diseases, cholesterol, high blood pressure. It is absolutely essential. So when you do it in the morning, that's when you really want to juice. First thing in the morning. And it's never late to juice.
No, I started and I'm 80. You too can start.
So we're adding papaya to this recipe. Papaya is a fruit from Central America. It actually is made up of 88% water, that vitamin A, C, and E, which are very good for your skin, digestive system, prevents cancer. If you're a diabetic, this is actually a good fruit for you. Right? Cheers.
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 I'm gonna have this sparingly, huh? I think I want it more than sparingly.
Well, you got extra there. Isn't this good?
This is wonderful.
And a dash of cinnamon is really good for you, for anti-inflammatory, for any type of inflammations.
Really?
I add cinnamon to all my juices.
Oh.
Yes.
What's the name of this?
I don't have a name yet.
Well, we need to name it.
I'm going to call it the PPP. Yeah.
Triple P.
Triple P. The triple P juice. Papaya, pineapple, pomegranate. There you go. I like it. Triple P.
Thank
That's
you
it.
for introducing me
Yes,
to this.
isn't this good?
This is good.
So if you like my videos, like and subscribe to my channel. You're never too old to start something new. So start juicing.
Join us.